Fine, let us check out with this 41st problem here. Right, the average weight of 6 boys get increased by 5 kg. Right, if a boy with a weight 20 kg is replaced by a new boy, what is the weight of a new boy? That is what we need to calculate. See here what happens. The average weight of 6 boys is increased by 5 kg. Right, 5 kg per boy, it is increased. So total weight of those boys is going to be 6 into 5, correct? It is 30 kg totally, it is increased. Now if a boy with weight of 20 kg is replaced by a new boy, so we need to find the new boy weight. So is already 20 kg the old boy weight, whom we are going to replace with the new boy, that is plus 30. So what happens, by placing a 50 kg a boy weight, 50 kg weight and a boy, so 6 boys weight is increased by 5 and as well as 20 kg boy is replaced. So that's what the answer here is, 50 kg.